Hi everyone and welcome to my first studio vlog. My name is Linda, aka Lunias. I am a small business owner. This is my small business channel. I have separate channels. If you want to check them out, I'll put them here so you can go check them out. There's a link down below. But today I am going to clean up in my studio. This is studio, aka the guest room. Eventually I plan to move things over to my room, which is the room next door. I'm pointing at the wall that separates the rooms. Because the guest room should be available for guests. As you can see, the bed now is not really available for guests. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually to, let me see if I can. This is my old phone, so if the quality is potato, you know why. Because I didn't want to buy a whole vlog camera, and I just figured I would use my old phone as a camera. Because sometimes I need my phone for things. So okay, so my main thing, nope, that's a screenshot. How did I can't change the direction of the camera when filming. Oh, that's unfortunate. Okay, right, okay, we're back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the resin stuff away. Some of it is in this cart here, and then I also have there's like molds in that container. I put it in my partner's office because for some health reasons I cannot work with resin for like a year or so. That's okay. I have some pieces still here that I have made. This is a mess. Everything is a mess. Like I said, we're gonna get to it. Yeah. Let's just blah, 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 I can't speak. Let's get started on sorting, shall we? Let's go. Okay, so I figured I would do a little bit a whole bit of just for the vlog. So I went, this is from 2 weeks worth of stuff. There might be more clips later, probably gonna be more clips later because I'm expecting a delivery today and on Friday. So mom gave me this. This is some yarn from one of her tablecloths she had that she made smaller, so she gave me the yarn. She also gave me this. This is a bunch of like stuff for keychains and chains and stuff. And what did she put in here? I don't remember that. Let's take a looky. Sorry, I'm shaking you. My apologies. Oh my gosh, come on, let's open it. What's in here? Oh, it's a little charm. It's a dolphin charm. That's cute. Oh, that smells good. Strawberry. Yes, it smells like strawberry. It was kind of vitamin strawberry. And so that was first weekend of March. This is the second weekend of March, which is was last weekend, but yeah. So we went to a couple of thrift shops. This one, so you're wondering, what is this? Binding combs. Binding combs, these are 10 millimeters, 8, and these two are 6. With this machine, it's a binding machine, like you put paper and you bind it, and this is perfect because I wanted to do my I wanted to do like art books and coloring books. That's perfect. And then we have beads and this little, so this is for my bead holes. It's a plastic tray. It's very cute and green. Oh, someone's outside is making noises. We have some beautiful oil slick beads. We have these amethyst strings, so cheap. This is the price in Swedish crowns, by the way. These cool beads with some pink seed beads underneath. These purple ones, really cool. These like glass transparent ones, really cool. These metallic, shiny, whatever these ones. Some black faceted beads. This is like pink pearlescent. Yeah. We got some more black faceted beads. I think I have some. These are glass beads. We have these turquoise ones, which are really, really pretty. And these like brownish gray black beads. And that's it for now. See you. Right. Just had a delivery. These are 25 sticker sheets. I'm gonna print there my own stickers for a bit before I start investing in something else, see how it goes. So that's my plan. This is a, so I guess it's Alex, that's for AliExpress. But yeah, I bought them on Amazon. I ordered them after midnight, they came now, so that's good. Yay! Hello there. So, I was planning. We're in my room right now. I have the bigger room in our house. Because I have so much stuff, I have so many collections, you can't see anything right now because the camera isn't directed at anything. This is my window, my printer and other stuff, and I'm watching some YouTube because I was just gonna do some sticker design, but first I figured I would need to update stuff on the tablet. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. I do have plenty of pens and nibs, that's fine. Mwah. Love this because I did not want to, I don't have the money to invest in an iPad, and I am not feeling it. So, but I also do a lot of traditional art, so I did a little design yesterday. I might enhance it. I think I'm gonna turn it into a sticker because I'm currently working on sticker designs. So I think I need to enhance the colors a bit on the jewelry. So this, you guys can see it, so see. That's the mascot, wearing some jewelry. You can barely see, it's a turquoise moon and also one here around the neck. Because this is, traditional art, so I figured maybe I'll have some digital art stickers and some traditional ones as well. As you saw in the previous clip, I got the sticker papers, so I want to try printing some out. And yeah, so today I'm just going to update my apps on the tablet and then get drawing. I use IBS Paint for my tablet because it's a free program and it's pretty good actually. I do most of my digital art with that program, so yeah. But with that out of the way, let's just get started and get drawing, and I will see you at the end of it. See you then. Okay, just had Amazon delivery and it came in a bag, but it is actually in a oh, it's much smaller than I expected. Cool. This exists in a box, but yeah. Okay, so let's bonk. Let's open it up. I'm gonna get my scissors. So I don't know, I expected it to be bigger, but things always look a little different, I guess. But at least it's packaged in the box here, so I hope. And then I see bubble wrap inside, so I hope it's fine, because it's acrylic, so it can still be, you know, a pretty like fragile thing. I know, I'm not facing you guys. Okay, let's put the box down. Let's take out the container. Okay, so this is like my 5 drawers, and it's 120 compartments in total. Oh, okay. I did read that some of the drawers were kind of hard to get out. The bottom one is fine. Okay, you just have to, it said you have to have them level, but they are level on my desk. Okay, there we go. And you just need to pull them out once and then they're fine. The top one is struggle. Oh, gosh, okay. So, okay, what if I pull out the one below it? Will it be easier to pull out this one? No. Just trying to knock it loose. Okay, I can see like that is, of course, it's on its like the trail rails. Oh, there we go. Okay, so these are not adjustable, the compartments, but I figured they could be useful for my Cowatrons, maybe not my huge ones, but or some beads that I just don't have any like official space for. If I have a little bit of some beads, I can put them in these. I'm sure it will be useful. It was like 400 crowns, and of course you have to be able to pull them out properly, and this drawer is definitely giving me issues, and I am not a fan. Oh, okay, I see that. Okay. Okay, so not a fan of the top drawer, but once you get it out, it's easy. Maybe it's easy if I switch place with another drawer, like if I switch it with the first one. If I put this in here, because I can see where like the trails or whatever you want to call it goes. Okay, yeah, that's much easier. Okay, yeah, that's a bit better. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's better. That's my mini review of that. Also, I did go downstairs to pick it up. I picked up my sketchbook, so this is where I have the original sketch for the stickers I'm working on, because I need to reference one of the I need to reference this picture because the scan I took was so bad of it, so I need to see how the legs look on this one. So we're just gonna go back to doing that, and then this I will figure out how to deal with later. So let's go and do that. light, yes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is move and organize my room. Like, I'm gonna move the desks, they're gonna switch places, and I'm gonna move a lot of stuff here out of the way so we can access this area and just tie it up. So let's go and do that. It's Sunday, last day of the week, and you will see this tomorrow probably. Let's go. Okay, they have changed places. So my regular desk is here, it's a 120 centimeter one. Then I have my 2-meter desk here. And this is gonna be like my crafting space. Cause you need to clean up the guest room. And also my packing station and everything. So I'm gonna have my printer in the corner here. And then just have this space here, and underneath I can have packing supplies and craft stuff. Yeah, and this is my main desk. So, alright. Success! Now I just gotta put everything back, but I'll do that later. The stuff in the bedroom. Alright, let's go. Okay, so the studio, my room, looks much better now. Of course, I'm still gonna take care of all this stuff. It's mostly toys I think cleaning. I'm a toy collector, if you haven't guessed yet. I collect dolls and toys and yeah. Anyway, this is what it looks like right now. We have the big desk here, the stuff under it. The printer is over there in the spot. We have my other desk here. I'm currently editing this vlog, so yeah, that's it. But this was my first studio vlog. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know what you want to see next time. And I should probably list my socials on the screen, so I will list them right here. You'll see them, so you should follow me in all these places. Don't forget to favorite my shop on Etsy. I'm currently trying to find a website though, because Etsy is too expensive, honestly, with all the ads and fees. I don't know. But yeah, if you enjoy this, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Small Business Journey. And I will see you in my next video. Stay creative. Bye!